Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a cool YouTube video intro. To begin, click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com. Download the installer to your computer, open the file, and then follow the installation instructions. So, open the software and click Create a Project in Full Feature Mode. A cool intro depends on the type of video you have. If you're into vlogging and you have a video clip of yourself, then you can import your file by clicking Add Media Files here. If you're into something else, or if you're the shy type, you can use any video clip you want. Just make sure that it's something you feel will capture your fans' attention in the first 5 seconds, because ideally, your intro should run for 5 seconds tops. If you don't have a video clip to upload, then you could use a plain background, preferably in the colors of your brand. Or even better, use the backgrounds or sample videos here. Pick one. Preview in the window over here. Choose the one you like, drag it into the timeline, like so. Now let's add some text. Click here and choose Intros. Choose the one you like and drag it to the Titles track. Edit the text by double-clicking in the preview window. More options are also available on top. Now that's a cool intro already, but you can make it way cooler by adding background music here. And remember, keep your intro within 5 seconds. You can drag the title and video tracks like this, and with the background music, you can do a fade out like so. There you have it. Making a cool YouTube intro is easy. Click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com and get started. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video. Leave your comments or questions below and click subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Good luck.